Welcome back, guys. So in this video, we're going to continue to understand how the easy strategy works and continue to go over the rules. Okay. So on the previous class, we covered the confirmations for this Bollinger Band, correct? We know the exit outside, exit inside, and where we are in the market. And the support, resistance, it could be a trend line, support, resistance, trend line, so on, so forth. Okay. So now let's check out the next indicator. So remember on the first class, we double click to get only the chart. Again, double click 1, 2, it will open all the indicators. So for this indicator, let's configure it. Let's change some settings. Okay. So click on the lines, it will pop all the bubbles like that. And then click again, right click, go to settings, and then choose the specific pair that you are trading. In this case, we're trading GBP USD. So take everything that's not GBP USD real quick, okay? Take Euro, take AUD, CHF, Japanese, and Canadian. Leave only Great British Pound and US dollar. Okay, pay close attention, guys. So for the first pair that you are trading, the predominant pair, the master of this chart, which is always the first pair that you see here, okay? The first pair from the first currency from the pair that you're trading. Again, the first currency, in this case, is Great British Pound, GBP. That first currency from the pair that you are trading, you wanted to switch the color to green, okay? Green. They make it a little bit thicker so you can see it better, like that, okay? And the next pair, which is the one that GBP is versing, which is the US dollar, the second pair, you want to put it red. And I'll explain you guys why. Okay? Boom. Let me make it opacity a little bit higher. And lastly, the last confirmation that we need a horizontal line. It's not mandatory, but it helps you guide with the half of the chart. So you go to settings, right click on the line, go to settings, coordinates, and then 50. That's all you got to do. That's everything you need to change on all the indicators. It's the only indicator that you have to change anything from the default settings, okay? This is the next settings the only settings that you need to change, okay? And we're gonna use the same example to show you guys the confirmation for this chart. So I'm gonna put here our confirmation list, okay? Right there. So for this indicator, we only need 2 confirmation, okay? 2 confirmation. So let's get into the confirmation, all right? So for this strategy, or for this indicator, we need to know something in advance. When we are using currency strength indicator, how do we know that which line needs to go up in order for the chart to go up, right? This is how. So remember in the beginning of this video, we said that the first currency needs to be green. So let me put it here. GBP is green line and USD is red line, okay? Put it right here. Remember, GBP is green, USD is red, okay? Remember that. It's very important because if GBP is green, green symbolizes what? Buy, okay? Green symbolized buy, just like the Bollinger Band on the lower side symbolized buy, okay? So if the green, in order for us to confirm that the market is going up, the predominant pair, which is GBP, needs to gain strength, okay? It needs to gain strength, okay? At this moment, what are we looking for? We're looking to see GBP, which is the green line, facing up, right? And we need the red, which is US dollar, to face down. And why do we want that? Because when GBP is facing up, is going up, it means that this currency strength or this currency is getting stronger. And how do we know that? If you see the right corner, we have 26.46. Okay, that's 26.46 at this level. And then we move forward a little bit. The current strength of this pair, which is GBP, is 37. So 26 to 37, it gains strength. So that's what we're looking for. We want GBP to gain strength. And this is the pair that it's versing, which is US dollar. We want this pair to lose strength. So if the main pair gains strength, the main currency gains strength, and the versing pair lose strength, the chart will go up because the predominant pair is the leader of the chart. So if this one gets stronger, GBP gets stronger, the pair will go up. The chart will go up because this pair has this graph or this chart has GBP as the first pair. So if it gains strength, the chart will go up, will go on a buy. So that's what we're looking for. So far, that's exactly what we have. Okay? Meaning that in this moment, when the market closed back inside, the candle closed back inside Bollinger Band, we had this spike up, right? We had GBP gaining strength. So that's our first confirmation. Is GBP pair, is the green line facing up? Yes, that's our first confirmation. Okay? Second confirmation, is this green, we've said green already. So is the red facing down? Not yet. Not yet. It's facing up. It's gaining strength too. Okay? Why the reason we move a little bit up? Because the rate that GBP moved up was way more than the rate that US dollar moved up. So that's why we had push up in the market. It's like a battle of two person. If I'm getting stronger than you on a fight, of course I will win the fight. Not taking consideration techniques of the fight, just based on strength. Based on strength, I will the fight because I have in the moment more strength than you. Maybe I eat a little bit more in breakfast. I have enough strength. That's the thing right there. I have more strength. So basically, who's going to win the battle is GBP. And when GBP wins the battle, the market pushes up. Okay? So now that we know that, and by the way, guys, this currency strength indicator could be used in any strategy besides Bollinger Band, besides easy strategy. So you just learn how to use currency strength indicator for an extra confirmation in any other strategy. Okay, it's an extra confirmation. You want confirmation to enter a trade, right? So that's what we're looking for. So as soon as we have confirmation on that, we have the first confirmation, but we don't have the second confirmation. What you could do in this situation, you can drop to a small time frame, such as 5 minutes. Okay? 5 minutes. Because it will give you let's say, a advanced confirmation. Okay? You could use small time frame for a advanced confirmation, for earlier confirmation. Okay? Because at this point, we don't have the second confirmation. And if we press play, we're going to go straight to the next candle. And we want to find the best entry. So I'm gonna give you guys a real example of how thing works. Okay, so as you can see here, the market pushed up a lot. Okay, from outside bullish band, close back inside. Okay, let me remove this so I won't confuse you guys. Give it a couple of seconds in order to the currency strength indicator to load. It takes a little bit of time. Okay, so let's give it a couple of seconds until it loads. There you go. Okay, you see how the strength of GBP got relatively higher, right? We still don't have that drop from US dollar. But because of this strength gain by GBP, it gives us a pretty strong confirmation. Does that complete both of the confirmation for currency strength indicator? No, not quite. But you could use this and risk a little bit and go in on a trade if you have the confirmation for the stochastic. So I'm gonna cover the confirmation for stochastic in a bit. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press play and see if we can have the second confirmation for GBP. By the way, guys, I don't know the outcome of this trade. I just pick a random one to show you guys how it really works. Okay. So let's see if we have the loser. There you go. That's what we're looking for. This is what we're looking for. Okay. Exactly this. See how it lost strength and then this gained strength? That's our confirmation. As you can see here, we're already halfway, all right? So you don't have that sniper entry yet because we were waiting for extra confirmation. But we have a significant amount of strength gained by GBP USD. GBP got a lot of strength in the 5 minutes time frame, okay? Could we entered on the second candle? We could have. We could definitely enter on that because of the way that GBP gained strength, okay? We could have do that. Remember, on the market, there's nothing 100%. There's no strategy 100%. But this one, it kind of beats the odd because most of the times that this average happens, the market pushes to that direction, okay? So as soon as we have the market on the halfway, switch it to the 15 minutes, okay? Boom. Right there. And we're going to talk about the 20 EMA as we go, when we go over the stochastic, okay? So let's go over the confirmation once again. Let's give a little bit of time until we have our currency indicator back. It takes a little bit, but it's worth the time. Okay, guys? So basically, we just need to have a gain of strength for this currency and of lose of strength for this currency. It would be in the second candle right there. Would you still have at least, what, 20 pips? Yes, you still have 20 pips to reach it. But if you would have entered the market on the first candle and wait for that little bit of strength, you would have had about 30 pips. But again, guys, we're looking for confirmation. We're not trying to guess, okay? We're not trying to guess. At this point, do we have all the confirmation? Yes, we do. So let me get a check here. Why do we have all the confirmation? Because green is facing up, red is facing down. And this is on a on a buy occasion. So when we're looking to buy, green needs to face up, red needs to face down. And what that means, it just means that the GBP pair, which is the first currency in this pair, is gaining strength. If this currency, the first pair in the chart, in this currency gains strength, the market will push up, okay? And the other pair that we are competing against is facing down, the market tends to push up, because the second pair is losing strength. It's like a fight, like I said again, wins the one that has the most strength, okay? Now that we have all the confirmation here, right? Now that we have all the confirmation, On the next video, we're going to go over the stochastic, which is our last indicator. Okay? I'll see you guys on the next video.